That's a fantastic question, and that's another area where I feel like some managers have taken it to the extreme and handicapped themselves. You know, you can go stock the shelves at a retailer and know everything there is to know about the company, but it may be the wrong company. And so understanding where, first of all, the competitive bar for excellence is from a research perspective is incredibly important, because you can't fool yourself into thinking you've done good work if that work has been replicated by hundreds of others, you know, on the buy side and the sell side. So you have to know where the competitive bar for excellence is in understanding a particular company and analyzing a particular company. But you don't want to go so far that, you know, A, you can't see the forest for the tree, so to speak, and B, you handicap yourself by getting too close to a company and restricting yourself as an insider, or you know, knowing things you shouldn't know, and you know, handicapping your ability to trade flexibly the name. And so we have, you know, it's taken a while, but we have sort of feel like we've honed in on where that bar is better than most. I certainly, you know, was more naive about it in the early years of my career than I am today. I think the pendulum has gone back and forth over time, where we've probably gotten too close to companies in the past, and then it swung the other way, and then it swung the other way again. And you know, when you get invited to dinner, you know, to the CFO's house, you have to just sort of turn away those types of invitations sometimes, because you don't want to get too close for obvious reasons. But also, some of the information that you're garnering just becomes noise. You have to ask yourself, what's important and material to a particular investment thesis? And, you know, if you start stocking the shelves at a retailer, you might start getting a skewed or jaded view of the company as a true insider, because, you know, you don't like the way the manager treats the employees and things that are, you know, may or may not be germane to the key investment thesis. It's really about what's the competitive advantage of the business, what are the key drivers of this business, why is it going to win over time, and who are the people that are going to help it win. And if you get those factors right, you don't necessarily need to know all of the minutia that I think people mistakenly infer that they need to go be chasing down. Those little data points that, you know, what are same-store sales in Kentucky? You know, it just, you know, some of that stuff is just immaterial to an overall investment thesis. But it takes a while to hone in on exactly what those factors are.